Are you tired, boy? You just came back from outside, didn't you, little boo? Yeah. Gonna rest now for a little bit? And maybe we can do playtime later? Hmm? Okay. Oh, what a good little baby. You're probably tired after romping around outside for so long. A little hunting trip? Yeah? Oh, do you want to play now, Mr. Boo Boo? Yes? Okay. We got toys. We got plenty of toys down here. He usually goes for the basement, though. Not so much over here, but he still likes to play over here. Let's try over here first. Yeah? What toy should we play? We have so many. Here, these ones are fun. Ooh. All right. Which one? Oh, you think I got treats on me or something, little boo? I don't have anything on me. No, just a kitty cat. Check out your little cafe, little cat cafe. Ooh. Look, Cinnabon, look. Ooh, you took it right away from me. Nice moves, little boo-boo. Yes. Whoop, whoop. Look, it's on the track. It's on the track. This little white ball looks like it's on fire. Look, Ronald's coming down. Oh, he's ditching me for Mama. Are you coming back to Daddy now, Mr. Boo? Oh, yes, well, welcome. Come here. Oh, what a good little baby. What a good little baby. Just want to play? Oh, gonna knock your house over? A little party animal, you? Yeah, I'm doing laundry today. Huh? Want to help Daddy do laundry instead? Okay, thanks. I can use the extra paws. Yes. Ooh, let's go look outside. Come here, come here, come on, come on. Ooh. It looks nice out there, but it's actually pretty cold. Yes. I found a tick on Cinnabon today. He got his flea and tick and worm medicine yesterday. So when he gets a tick, they flee. No pun intended. Oh, he's okay. We look out for him. Oh, careful, little boo. That's not a toy. No. I think it's a little punching stick. He likes sticks, don't you? That's not one of your playtime sticks, though, mister. No, it's not. Oh, there we go. Oh, I want me to open the closet? Want to see what's in there? Watch out, don't look at your face. Oh, want me to open the other side? Huh? Oh, I forget what's in there. Some home decor stuff, I think. What you doing in there, Mr. Boo? What you doing in there? You're just gonna chill in there? Is that what you're gonna do? Yes? You like the sunshine in there? Ooh, careful. You shouldn't bite that, mister. You shouldn't bite that. What are you doing? Scraping your teeth? That's metal, buddy. Yeah, it's like... That's probably not good for your little chompers. No, it's probably not good for you, Mr. Boo. No, no. Want me to show the closet now? I guess he's done with that. Okay. Oh, is it too noisy in the basement with the dryer and the washer going? I think not. Oh, we got your toy here. Oh, he wants to eat his basement food. Okay. I think we're getting low on that, so we'll go ahead and top it off for him. All right, little boo, you enjoy that. I'll come back down when you're ready, okay? He's like, all right. Well, you washing it down with some basement water, Mr. Boo Boo? All right. Oh, do you see it, little boo? You see it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's getting ready. Oh, touch your mouse friend. Ooh, ooh. Boop. Boop. boy. Oh boy. This one under the rug. Hey. Oh no. Oh no. Hehe. You too tired to play, Mr. Boo Boo? Well, that's okay. That's okay, little Boo Buckles. Oh, you wanna go upstairs? Or do you want to climb the steps? What? What would you like to do? Okay, here. Oh. Cinnabon, look. Look, little Boo. Oh, I don't think he cares right now. I think he's just gonna be a chill cat, and that's okay. Mm-hmm. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, he's going to the bathroom. You want to explore in here, little Boo? You want to explore in the bathroom? No? He's not sure what he wants. That's okay. Looks like he's here to stay.